Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You ever buy a pair of compact bookshelf speakers and realize they sound polite, not powerful? Like the life's missing from your music? Yeah, that ends here. Before we get started, hit the first link below to check today's Amazon deal. These Klipsch RP-500M Ebony speakers move fast whenever discounts hit. I've been running these for a few weeks now, and honestly, they blew me away. They're compact enough for a desk or small room, but the sound they project feels full-scale. Wide, dynamic, and alive. That's what Klipsch does best: energy, realism, and a live concert feel you just don't get from most bookshelf designs. Inside, you've got a 1-inch titanium vented tweeter loaded into a 90 degrees x 90 degrees hybrid Tractrix horn, and a 5.25-inch spun copper Cerametallic woofer with improved motor structure and suspension over the first-gen RP-500M. The result? Clearer mids, tighter bass, and smoother highs that still carry that unmistakable Klipsch sparkle. But now with more control and balance. Quick reminder. Tap the first link below before the ebony finish sells out again. These newer two models are harder to find once sales pick up. Build quality is pure reference premier. Heavy MDF enclosure, magnetic grills, rear Tractrix port, and a stunning matte black wood grain finish that looks great in any setup. I've pushed them for hours, and they stay composed. No harshness, no fatigue, just clean, punchy sound. If you stream, mix, or just love listening loud, these hit that sweet spot between precision and excitement. Pros: checkmark wide, detailed soundstage with great dynamics. Checkmark improved crossover equals smoother highs. Checkmark strong mid-bass and excellent clarity. Checkmark premium cabinet finish and magnetic grills. Checkmark efficient design, easy to drive with mid-range amps. Cons: Crossmark rear port needs some breathing space from the wall. Crossmark slightly forward treble with bright amplifiers. If you want compact speakers that actually sound big, powerful, engaging, and alive, this is the one. Click the first link below right now to see if it's still discounted, because stock never lasts long. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and grab that deal before it's gone. This could be your best mid-size upgrade of 2025.